Is it too late to invest in crypto? 2025 update. Many people are asking the same question. It is too late to invest in crypto with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies reaching new height and then or crashing. Some believes the opportunity is gone, but is that true? In this video, I will give you a clear and simple answer. We will look at where crypto stands in 2025, the future potential of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins, and whether you should still invest. By the end of this video, you will know whether crypto is still a smart investment and how to do it the right way. What happened to crypto? Over the past decade, crypto has gone through multiple boom and bust cycles. Bitcoin was once worth a few cents, then it exploded to thousands of dollars. Ethereum and other altcoins follow the same pattern. In 2021, we see a huge bull run, but then the market crashed. Many investors lost money, while others bought at the right time and made massive profit. Now, in 2025, crypto has evolved. Government are regulating it. Big companies are using blockchain and new technologies like Web3 and DeFi are changing the financial world. So, is it too late to invest? The answer is no, but you need to be smart about it. Why crypto still has potential? Despite the ups and downs, crypto is still growing. Here are the reasons why. First is Bitcoin as digital gold. Bitcoin is now seen as a store of value, just like gold. Many companies, banks, and even governments are holding Bitcoins. And second is Ethereum and smart contractors. Ethereum is not just a cryptocurrency, it powers decentralized applications, NFTs, and smart contracts. This technology is becoming essential for businesses. And third is institutional adoption. Big finance companies like BlackRock and Fidelity are investing in crypto. When big money flow in the market grows. DeFi and Web3. Decentralized finance and Web3 applications are revolutionizing banking, gaming, and ownership of digital assets. And fifth is security and demands. Bitcoin has a limited supply of 21 million coins. As demand increases, prices are likely to rise over time. Should you invest in crypto in 2025? Investing in crypto is still a good opportunity, but you need to follow the right approach. Invest only what you can afford to lose. Crypto is volatile, so never put all your money into it. Hold for the long term. Short term traders offer loss money, but long term investors tend to benefit. Diversify your portfolio. Instead of investing in just one coin, consider Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a few other promising projects. Stay updated on regulation. Government are making rules for crypto. Keep track of how regulation impact investment. Best crypto investment strategy. First is buy and hold. Many investors simply buy Bitcoin or Ethereum and hold it for years. This has proven to be one of the best strategy. And second is dollar cost averaging DCA. Instead of investing all your money at once, invest a small amount every week or month. This reduces risk and help you buy at an average price. Third is us taking and earning passive income. Some cryptocurrencies allow us taking where you earn rewards for holding your coins. This is like earning instant in a bank. And fourth is invest in crypto index fund. If you don't want to choose individual coins, you can invest in crypto ETFs or index fund that track the entire market. Mistake to avoid in crypto investing. First is buying at the top. Many people invest when prices are high and panic sell. When price drop, always research before investing. Second is not having a strategy. Investing without a plan leads to losses. Know why you are investing and stick to your strategy. Third is ignoring security. Use a secure wallet to store your crypto. Never leave large amount on exchange. And four is falling for a scam. Be careful for fake projects, pumps and dumps a scheme, and get rich quick a scam. Always research before investing. So, is it too late to invest in cryptos? Absolutely not. While price may rise and fall, crypto technology is here to stay. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and blockchain innovation will continue to shape the financial future. If you want to invest in crypto, do it wisely. Follow a strategy, be patient, and think long term. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more investment insights. Let me know in the comment if you are still investing in crypto in 2025.